We'll look at the new Watch Ultra and the redesigned Galaxy Buds. Super premium with some nice design elements. But first, let's start with the foldables. All right, so diving right into my first impressions, it feels incredibly premium and noticeably lighter than the Z Fold 5. In terms of design, the Z Fold 6 is slightly shorter and wider than the Z Fold 5. And just like the Z Fold 5, it has a 7.6 inch foldable 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. The external display, however, is a 6.3 inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a punch hole camera, making this one slightly bigger than the Fold 5, much more usable, even though the actual device is thinner and lighter. This year's design is definitely more refined. The edges are slightly squared off, giving it a modern look. I think I'm liking the more rectangular look with the square edges, but what do you folks think? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk about the specs. So the Z Fold 6 is powered by a Snapdragon